Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing really well. Today's video is an unboxing video and I just got this delivered on the door. I'm too excited to not open it, so I just threw on some lipstick and got my camera out and I figured we would open this together. So I have the box right here. I am going to go straight into opening it. I did get this from a website called 24s.com. I've never ordered from there before, so I'm extra excited and I've heard people be really pleased with it, but you know, I don't know what to expect. I am so excited. Let's get through this first layer. Okay, so it's a bit difficult to hold. Oh my gosh! Hello? What is this? This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I have to show you how beautiful this presentation is. Hopefully you can see it comes, so as you open the box, when you open this lid right here, it opens up and it's this illustration, pop-up illustration of basically not Paris but the Eiffel Tower, and then there's this really cute Parisian cartoon, and I'll do close-ups, but this is like, I have never experienced anything like this. This packaging is out of this world. Oh, that is so beautiful. I kind of almost don't want to keep going because I'm gonna ruin it, but I think I can just flip it over. And then we have this box that says 24s.com. Are you excited to see what's inside here? This is like Christmas. I have never seen packaging like this. Okay, so that's just their brand box. I don't know if I get a box with the actual item. I'm gonna have to take out what's inside though, because my arms are not strong enough to hold this up. Okay, so comes in their paper. I'm just gonna slide that up. It comes with the brand box as well. So it is from Celine. I have never ordered anything from Celine. I don't own anything from them. I think it's really exciting to try new brands, but obviously it's expensive. It's not something I do on the regular. I am quite sparse with my buying of high-end and luxury pieces. But yeah, it's kind of larger than I thought it was going to be. This box anyways, let's see. Opening up. And more paper. And this dust bag that just says Celine. It's obviously the new logo without the accent. I am one of the people who prefer the accent, but I'm not going to let that stop me from buying something I want. So this dust bag is really nice and substantial, but let's get to the item. Da, 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 da. This clutch right here, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's actually a really good size. This is a pouch, but it is sold as a clutch, and it is canvas. Yeah, like textile. It's not a coated canvas, so if you spill red wine on this, that's definitely gonna stain. So it's a bit more high maintenance than your typical coated canvas, but I just love that it's so simple. You just have the really big logo. I love that the canvas is a bit more, it's not a plain color. I'll show you close up what I mean. It has these like specks of dark grey, which is really beautiful, and then the leather, like the light brown leather trim. I just thought that was going to be so nice for spring and summer, so I'm going to open it up. Let's see inside. Just has this. So it doesn't have any pockets whatsoever, and it is, as you can see, fairly flat, but it is a bit larger, so hopefully I will be able to fit some things into this one. So it does have this date code or code inside of it as well, just this leather tab. Okay, so it just says that returns are only accepted with this tag intact. What did I pay for this? I think I paid 450 euros, something around there, which is a lot for a canvas pouch, I'm not gonna lie, but I do really like the look of this one. I feel like I'm overpaying whatever I'm buying when it's high-end, so I guess just get what you want, you know. Just trying to look at it because I have never seen this one in person before. I saw a picture on Pinterest, of all places. I saw a picture on Pinterest of a girl wearing this pouch, and I thought immediately, I just thought it was super super cute. So as I do with all new pieces, I am going to try this on with some of my outfits in my wardrobe to see if it actually goes, if I love wearing it with my outfits as much as I love looking at it, because sometimes I like bags or I like items but not really wearing them and not really putting them into an outfit and styling them. So I think it's really important to be sure when you are kind of buying expensive things like this. So as I said, I have never seen it in real life. I think it's a good size. It's kind of the size I expected, really. When I read the measurements online, I thought it was going to be a bit bigger, but when I saw it on the model, it looked like a good size. Are we excited to try this one on? I'm going to do some mod shots for you, just what I'm wearing right now, and we'll see what it looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. So when I'm wearing this, and hopefully you can see that from the mod shots as well, first of all, I think it is super super cute. I kind of like it more when I'm wearing it than when I'm just looking at it. I think it adds something to an outfit. It's kind of casual but still very summery and pretty. I feel like I keep saying this in my unboxing videos that it's an impulsive purchase, and that's not great. That doesn't make me look amazing, but I still think that all the other impulse purchases that I've made are really really good. I have been really happy with them. They are some of my favorite kind of pieces in my wardrobe, and I really didn't want to wait until this sells out because it isn't stocked everywhere. Also, this website, everything came packaged so well. Just the whole presentation, this packaging was so extra. It was such an experience that like I can highly recommend ordering from there. Definitely a positive experience where I would order from again. I think that's all. Is that all, guys? I think so. Let me know what you think about this one, and in the meantime I will be trying this on with lots of my outfits. So yeah, that was fun. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!